probably like a foot higher. Like step here, and then like another step up.
Oh Jesus!
And then you get into the car.
That's
and then
crazy.
like you're sitting up here.
How much
And
is that?
I bought it for like 3,000 off Craigslist, but
I thought he was gonna give us a yeah. We're going. All right, Aaron. How much does your bag weigh?
But I do love how you
Let's see. We got a 39. We got a 39 on Aaron.
39er. Yeah, but the mix of the pockets like a possibly.
See what Trish has got.
Oh, I did.
All right, we got a 37. 37, not bad. All right, Alex, you ready for the weight?
Air canister weigh-in.
Blake, you ready for the weigh-in?
It's super.
Hey, let me see that. You throw these there real quick.
So much. A third of my package is just freaking.
Scale out. Let's see. 52, 51, 51 and a half. All right. All right,
The
Alex.
guy with the worst back.
You got your knee braces on? Yeah, you should. All right, let's see what we got. We got a 34. 34. There is. I wish I could get a video of that. All right, let's and it's good. All right, I'll pull mine out of the way. Blake, just support that for a second. We got a 40 on the dot. A 40 on the dot. All right. Blake, get me. All right, let me see that. Thank you. All right.
That is 42, 43, 43.
42, 43. Not bad, not bad. Heck yeah. Everybody ready? You guys ready to fall? Yeah. We're officially starting. You guys ready? Yeah. Definitely stopping here for a photo tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, okay.
Out of my mind, how could I be so blind? How could I not see? Awake on the floor, looking up, wanting more. This is so unreal. I must have been wrong. 'Cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you.
Fuck you, mosquito. Fuck you.
Morning day 2. Our camp. We got Blake over here burping. We got the Jake and Alex, the Crony boys. Good morning, Vietnam!
Free, but ready to flee from this all.
Because it's a bag.
To be standing on your own. Hard to be standing on your own. You knocked me down, swept my feet off.
Day
the
2.
ground, left me on
We're getting on the road.
hard to resist, got me
that was
looking
close.
like this, like
Was not there yesterday.
Oh shit, that was the tree that fell.
must be strong.
Yo,
Wow.
that was the tree that fell.
Wow. I have a picture, Aaron, of you standing right where this tree is. Oh my God. It got hit by lightning right up there. Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? That's fucking crazy. Yeah. Oh, we got GoPro on GoPro action right now.
Left on the floor, looking up, wanting more. This is so unreal. Out of my mind, how could I be so blind? How could I not see? I must have been wrong. 'Cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not?
Hello.
He's always there for me. I keep living alone.
Wow.
So far from home.
Well, the crossing's right there. The bridge is right there. We can use that, but
But ready to
what do you think, Jake?
leave from this home. To be standing on your own. I keep living alone. We're so far from home. Free, but ready to bleed from this home. Oh, to be standing on your own. Oh, to be standing on your own.
Dude.
So fucking ready fish.
Build the support with rocks. Let's get in here. Get a 4-inch cement.
Pretty insane. Stuck in a hailstorm. Oh yeah, baby. This is how you do it.